This one is a woman. Buongiorno! My name is Rose.
And we have our own, hello, our beds. And this is our bathroom. Our shower, very fancy. And now we're gonna go explore the boat. Let's go.
We are going from Greece to Italy.
Okay.
And we just took this boat.
Ooh, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very Titanic. Hopefully it doesn't end the same way.
By the way, we traveled with an Interrail pass
And
we upgraded. You always have the possibility and you get a 30% discount on upgrading. We would have slept in those.
In the cinema, as I called it. So it's not a proper cinema. There's a casino in case everyone wants to roll the dice and spend some money.
I love spending money. Oh, there's an heliport. What do we have here? People.
Ah, this is the
What is this?
other thing. Where they save their life boat.
Did we get lost in the boat? Yes. Restricted area. And what is there? Nothing.
It's very big.
We've made it to the restricted area.
We thought in the top deck there was a pool, but it's
Because there's one in the picture. Okay, we hope you liked this boat tour.
yeah.
Hello.
It will take us 13 hours to get to Italy. Yes. So we will be sleeping here for the night because it's currently 6 p.m. or something. And we will arrive at 7 in the morning in Bari.
Yes, and then we will show you Bari or
Yes.
maybe not.
So maybe you will see us at some point having a drink or something.
FYI, we didn't die in the haunted house.
Yes, maybe we'll die in the haunted boat.
Maybe.
Edurne? Edurne, no!
I'm gonna make us rich. No, I'm not gonna make us rich. It's closed. They knew I was coming and closed it. I will bet our money, all of our money, and make us rich. Maybe I'm too stupid to open the door.
Shame. We've made it into the casino and Edurne is gonna play.
That's my allowance. Insert coin.
She's putting in 2 euros. Let's see if we're losing money or if Edurne will win us a dinner.
Select a bet. I don't know how to play this. Ala, ala, 80 cents. Are you crazy? No?
Is that the lowest you can bet?
Yes.
Okay. This is not very user-friendly.
And we lost 80 cents. I know we won money, Irene.
We won money.
I'm gonna cash out now. I think we should cash out.
Okay. We won 8 euros.
Should we play again? 2 euros? What is happening?
This is how Edurne gets addicted and spends the night in here.
We won €1.60. Boom, vamos.
Are you cashing out?
Take the win. You need help?
No. We're fine, thanks.
Oh, we won 0.
Ah, well, we didn't lose anything.
We lost again.
Shit.
That's how they get you. Our last 80 cents.
Come on.
Good morning. So we just got woken up by a really loud sound.
A really loud
Alarm. I thought it was the fire alarm, so I immediately jumped out of bed in my pajamas, opened the door, and went out. And then I was touching all the lights, like, how do I turn this off? And then we were like, then it went off, and we were like, what the fuck? And then 10 minutes later, not even 5 minutes later, it went on again, and we're like,
and then Edurne was like, maybe you need to open the door. So I opened the door, and of course it didn't stop. And then it rang again for like 2 seconds.
So we think it's the alarm
to wake up, because we have arrived, or we are arriving in like an hour or less,
yeah,
to Italy. But
oh my gosh, I swear to I was like, I'm having a heart attack if this keeps going on, or the ship is going down. Those were my two.
I was gonna jump from the deck to the water, and I was thinking, she left the life jacket under her bed. She's gonna...
I would have found one on the way, or I would have stolen it from someone. Like,
you would have jumped on one of the lifeboats being like, I'm young, I'm fertile, but
I'm a woman. No, I wouldn't have been like that, but oh my god. So, good morning and welcome to Italy.
I don't know if I'm asleep,
I mean, I'm like, my heart is pounding so fast.
Do we need a defibrillator?
Yes.
I think so.
Maybe, because maybe our hearts will stop any minute.
They were asking everyone on the boat yesterday, if you're a doctor, you need to let someone know. No wonder, in case someone has a fucking heart attack from this. I swear to you, people have died from this.
Yes, they have. So, we're going outside to see what's going on.
Or have breakfast.
Or have breakfast.
Everything is solved by food.
Update.
We arrive in 2 hours. So we don't know if they assumed we need 2 hours to shower or whatever and get ready and leave, or what, or if, I don't know, maybe our room was on fire. We didn't feel it.
My opinion is that we suck up all the oxygen by sleeping there.
Because I turned off the AC?
Yes.
Could be.
But well, yeah, we're gonna have quick breakfast and...
Well, quick. We can have it for 2 hours.
Yes, exactly. And then we're gonna go outside to see how we arrive. Update. Turns out it was a fire alarm, so my instinct of running towards the door was okay. But it turns out it was set off by one of the teenagers that are currently on this boat, because there are a few class trips here. So yeah, I was gonna say fuck the kids, but yeah, fuck the kids. And teach your children to not set off alarms in boats, because it's dangerous. Hello. We are in Bari. Irene is currently fixing our lunch. Well, breakfast, sorry, it's 10.
This is breakfast.
Yeah. So we got some
Fish arancini.
There were 6 of them. With tuna, salmon, swordfish, all sorts of fish, and it's delicious. So yeah, we arrived, we survived. We hated the high school kids a little bit more. And yeah, so basically now we're just gonna eat some more, and then we're gonna head out to Rome. But we're alive.
All of the Renaissance artists are buried here because the Pope wanted to give them eternal homage
Oh,
in this eternal building. And then there's Margarita here, who was she?
she was the wife of the second king of Rome.
Exactly. And she's the reason why Pizza Margarita exists. Yes. Cook made a pizza for her in Naples when she visited Naples with the colors of the Italian flag. Green basil, white mozzarella, and the tomato for the bread.
Nice.
Yummy. Thank you, Margarita.
Thank you, Margarita. Best coffee house in Rome. Will we go? Will we not go? Irene de Hobbit.
Vamos, Frodo.
What about him? Is it not a woman? Irene, it has boobs.
This man is a woman.
Corsica! Here is Irene taking pictures to search for our next holiday location. That one! Yes! Let's go!
There.
Okay, there. Urbinum.
Outdoor upstairs.
Hello, hello.
Have other kids downstairs.
And welcome to our aperitivo.
Very needed.
We just came back from everywhere in Rome. So
We woke up this morning
thank God.
and we did the free tour. And
We saw a few sites.
we saw a few sites.
We saw the Spanish steps with the Spanish embassy. We saw the Pantheon.
Pantheon.
I don't know how to say it. This is the thing I don't know how to say in this country.
We saw the Pantheon. We saw the Fontana di Trevi.
We saw a few churches.
We saw a couple of churches. We then ate.
Yes. We saw at the same time. And we had lunch exactly, and we had lunch at the same place where Ivanka Trump had lunch a few months ago.
It's a really good
It's
pizza
so
place
good.
next to the church of San Ignatius
Ignatius of Loyola. Yes.
Highly recommend. It's really close to la Fontana di Trevi.
Then we had ice cream, of
And we
course.
had gelato. And then we went to
The Vatican.
because we had a ticket to enter the Vatican.
Highly recommended because we skipped a line of approximately 300,000 people.
In the sun at 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
And now we are here.
Yes, we we are across the Castello d'Angelo and we're just enjoying an Aperol Spritz.
Drinking some 7 million liters of water.
I mean, there are a lot of fountains in Rome, but we didn't find any, so we were really thirsty.
Yes, and also the time we spent within the Vatican Museum,
It was so hot, so many
It was
people.
really hot. It was
Yeah. 1 second, change of arm. Yeah, so one thing we wanted to say about the Vatican is that it is really, the Vatican Museum, it is really crowded. So brace yourself and prepare yourself to be surrounded by a lot of sweaty people constantly and constant pushing,
group tours.
very pushy, very
And
loud.
very loud. Also, people who, you know, when they have the audio guides, they're not paying attention to
Their surroundings.
So people are just not minding the people around them. So just be aware of that.
Yeah,
That it's sometimes a bit stressful. Just take it with a lot of
zen.
zen.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now, in a while, we're gonna have dinner. And
We're gonna take it easy now because we've been
Yes.
running places all day.
we've been running all day because to avoid the crowds, actually, you need to be really on time and early to places. So that was really exhausting. But now we're gonna take it easy. And yeah, and enjoy our pasta dinner.
Yes.
So we had pizza for lunch, pasta for dinner. What did we have? We had gelato for breakfast. All the best.
Had tiramisu
No,
for
she had
breakfast.
tiramisu. I had cannoli for breakfast, not gelato. Gelato we had for dessert.
Yes.
Yeah. So tomorrow we're gonna see the archaeological sites. So stay tuned for dinner and more things that we're gonna see. So stay tuned.